Hello and welcome to Getting Creative with Carrie Ann. Today we are going to make slices of citrus. So what you're going to need is a nice pencil. We're going to make some circles or half circles, however you want to do it on your paper. Maybe they overlap. Maybe they don't. But just make the circles as best you can, or you can also, of course, trace your circles with something circular. And we're going to make all kinds today, so we'll give it that. Now citrus fruit is fairly evenly divided because you can split an orange right in half and have lots of things, but these are going to be slices horizontally through your fruit. So you can split them up like a pie, just very gently going through your circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. But you can just divide them up just like a pizza slice. And then we're going to get rid of any lines we don't want to see. But you can also wait until your artwork is dry and take off any pencil marks that you make. For today's painting, you're going to take your eraser and you're going to just go around the ring of your fruit. You don't have to erase the outside line if you don't want to right now, but you're just going to go around and erase any marks that are close to your outside mark. Alright, perfect. So I'm going to use my number 4 today. You can choose what kind of slices you want to make. I'm going to do, let's see, orange, lemon, maybe a lime, and we'll do pink grapefruit. So I'm going to get some nice orange on here, and we'll start with this one in the corner. So what you're going to do is you're going to go around and let your paintbrush do the work. This is the rind of your orange. Just like so. Then you're going to use a lighter color. Maybe we'll start with transparent yellow. And we're just going to make triangles inside without touching the rind or your pencil marks. So we want a nice white line in between each slice. So kind of follow it around. Just like so. Just like that. And now I'm going to make my orange really watery because I only want a little bit of orange color in the center. And I just want a pale orange. For right now. Just like so. Maybe a little bit more orange on here. Just like that. Now we're going to let that dry. So let's move on to, let's do some grapefruit. So I'm going to get some permanent yellow. And I'm going to go all the way around the rim of one of these circles, and I'm letting my paintbrush do all the work. Just like so. Now I'm going to do ruby red grapefruit, which is kind of a pinkish color. So I'm going to start with a really light pinkish base. And again, I'm just going to make triangles within those pencil marks that I made. And I'm going to be careful not to bring them close together. I'm going to leave that white space in between each slice. Okay, I think that orange slice is dry, so we're going to go back and I'm going to use my number 2, and I'm going to get my orange just a little bit darker, and we're going to make just some lines that go up just like that. And these represent those little pockets of juice that are inside those little pieces. Now, if you don't like the harshness of your lines, you can go back through with a wet brush without color to help them spread out a little bit or soften. And they'll just soften right up so they're not as harsh. But you can make them as light or as harsh as you'd like. We're going to go back through and do that with our ruby red grapefruit. Now, if you want to, you can take some of your watercolor white, same brush, and you can put a shine on the rind. Just like so. Let's finish up those other ones. All right, there you have it, our beautiful citrus slices. If you would like a chance to have this in your home or for me to mail it to you, write you a little postcard, an encouraging postcard, then go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with your friends. I'll see you again next time.